Hi, beautiful. This is Irie coming to talk with you about an amazing product called the Bentonite Clay and its benefits on 4C natural hair. I stumbled upon this product about 5 years ago after I suffered a chemical burn from using a relaxer, and then I had severe heat damage from using heating tools, and that's when I realized that those two things needed to stop. I searched the web and did some product research and development, and that's when I stumbled upon the Bentonite Clay. The Bentonite Clay is formed from volcanic ash. It's 100% natural, and it has minerals like calcium, iron, copper, and zinc. Those all promote healthy hair and hair growth. I loved it so much that I mixed it with some of my other favorite natural ingredients, and I call this concoction the Crack Attack Hair Clay Mask. And I've been using this product for many years. So today I am going to share with you the prototype to this recipe that you can try it at home and reap the benefits yourself. So be sure to leave a comment and also your testimony of how this clay mask has really helped to heal and soothe your hair. I love the benefits of this product because right after I started using it, even the first time, I noticed major changes in my hair. My chemical burn was clearing up. After about the third use, there was no more chemical burn. There was no more heat damage. My curls were becoming more defined, and I noticed that the growth in my hair was even more rapid. And I really enjoyed that about the mask. When I do apply the mask, I section off my hair. I do not add any water prior to. I just put my hair into two sections and I go bit by bit, and I apply the mask on as if it was a relaxer. You can keep this on as long as you want. At one time, I remember leaving this product on for hours. I would say about 6 or 7 hours. Got really hard, and I noticed that my hair received the best benefits actually when that happened. So I highly recommend doing that. Now, do not use any metals. I did mix it in a metal bowl once, and I realized that it wasn't as effective because the clay mask actually draws out toxins. It draws out metals and different toxins and impurities. So you want to make sure that you're mixing this product in glass or plastic. That is a major key. Another thing that I noticed, besides my curls being defined, was the natural shine that my curls had and how easy it was to style and manipulate my hair after using this mask. I love to use this clay mask after I got a blowout, or I got a Brazilian blowout, or something that required some kind of heating tool. It just basically helps to reverse that heat damage and make sure that my curls are happy and healthy. If you have any testimonies of this product, please share below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. This Bentonite Clay also helps soothe psoriasis, eczema. There's no known side effects for using this product on your hair because it's 100% natural and it absorbs negatively charged toxins. So I definitely say that you have nothing to lose, but your hair has so much to gain, like health. I use this as a substitute for relaxers because it's natural. If you're someone that's on the edge of going natural, I highly recommend giving this a go yourself because you can use this product while getting relaxers, and this will be a good way to leave the relaxers and get a winner like a natural product called Bentonite Clay. If you want the recipe for the Crack Attack Hair Clay Mask prototype, please see Beauty Box Beauty Supply's blog for more details. You'll get an instructional tutorial, and I'm so excited to hear your reviews and your results. Thank you so much for now, and I'm going to be sharing more tips, tricks, and secrets for all things natural hair.